Dear students, welcome in this lecture CHG 190. Student, this is our second lecture of this chapter Defects and Non-Stoichiometry. In this lecture, we are see Schottky and Henkel defects. Before that, I first introduce myself. I am Mr. V.D. Jadhav, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry, KTHM College, Nasik. Student, uh, in the previous lecture, we learned defects in crystal and also Frenkel defects. In this lecture, we discuss Schottky defect and against Frenkel defects. Now let us see defects or imperfection in crystals. An important feature of crystal is the regular atomic arrangement, but no crystal is perfectly regular. Any deviation from this perfect atomic periodicity is an imperfection, which is also called as lattice defects. Lattice defects a state in which the atomic arrangement, its structure, is smaller in smaller region of a crystal has departed from regularity. These are the classification of structural defects such as point defects, line defects, surface defects, and volume defects. These point defects are zero dimensional, line defects in one dimensional crystal structure, surface defects shown in two dimensional crystal structure, and volume defects shown in three dimensional crystal structure. Here, Schottky and Henkel defects, point defects because of vacancies, impurities, and Henkel defects and Schottky defects. Schottky defects. A Schottky defect is a type of point defect in a crystal lattice named after Walter H. Schottky. In non-ionic crystals, it means a lattice vacancy defect. In an ionic crystal, the defect forms when oppositely charged ions leave their lattice sites, creating vacancies. These vacancies are formed in a stoichiometric units to maintain an overall neutral charge in the ionic solid. These vacancies shown in Schottky defects. If in an ionic crystal of the type A plus B, A plus B minus, equal number of cations and anions are missing from their lattice. It is called Schottky defect. Just because the equal number of anions and cations are missing, the whole crystal arrangement is maintained as electrically neutral. This occurs only when there is a small difference in size of cations and anions. This type of defect is shown by highly ionic compounds such as NaCl, KCl, cesium chloride, EgBr, KBr, and it is also have a high coordination number. Consequences of Schottky defect: as the number of ions decreases, as a result of this defect, the mass decreases, whereas the volume remains the same. Hence, density of the solid decreases in Schottky defect. The crystal begins to conduct electricity to a small extent by ionic mechanism. The presence of too many voids lowers lattice energy and the stability of the crystal. These are the defects free initial structure, that is Schottky defect free initial crystal, and in Schottky defects within the initial structure. Here vacancies are created. Next, Frenkel defect. The phenomenon is named after the Soviet physicist Yakov Frenkel, who discovered it in 1926. A Frenkel defect is a type of defect in crystalline solids wherein an atom is displaced from its lattice position to an interstitial site, creating a vacancy at the original site and an interstitial defect at the new location within the same element without any changes in chemical properties. Definition of Frenkel defect. Frenkel defect, Frenkel pair, Frenkel disorder is a type of point defect in a crystal lattice. The defect forms when an atom or a smaller ion, usually cation, leaves its place in the lattice, creating a vacancy and becomes an interstitial by lodging in a nearby location. Since cations are usually smaller, it is more common to find the cations occupying interstitial sites. So it is a combination of vacancy and interstitial atom. Here the defect-free initial structure and Frenkel defect within the initial structure. Here the cations are loose and they go the interstitial site. These in ionic compounds which have low coordination number, larger difference in size of cations and anions, compounds having highly polarizing cations and easily polarizable anions. A few examples of ionic compound exhibiting this Frenkel defect are EgCl, EgBr, EgI, silver iodide, zinc sulfide, etc. Consequences of Frenkel defect: as number of ions are missing from the crystal lattice as a whole, therefore density of the solid remains the same. The closeness of like charges tends to increase the dielectric constant of the crystal. The crystal conducts electricity to a small extent by ionic mechanism. Here, difference between Schottky and Frenkel defect. In Schottky defect, equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice sites. In Frenkel defect, a cation leaves the normal lattice sites and occupies the interstitial sites. This defect Schottky found in highly ionic compound with high coordination number and where the cations and anions are of similar size. This Frenkel defect found in ionic compounds with low coordination numbers and where the anions are much larger in size than cations. In Schottky defect, density of the solid decreases. In Frenkel defect, density of the solid remains the same. Here, Schottky defects, vacancies are created, and in Frenkel defects, cations leaves the interstitial site. This PPT presentation prepared by using the following references: Solid State Physics by Gupta and Kumar, Solid State Physics by S.O. Pillai, and Wikipedia Schottky defect and Wikipedia Frenkel defect. Thank you, student.